Hey everybody, and thanks for watching Woodcrest Bonsai. Today I'm going to wire this narrow leaf ficus. Like all ficus, this is a very tropical tree. And I like to wire my tropicals in the fall because they're growing more slowly, and so the chances of getting wire scars is minimized. And my main goal for today is to get this branch more horizontal, which then you'll notice there's this big gaping hole here, but we can bring this branch down to fill that gap. So that's what I'm going to do today. And I may do some more wiring over here. It's almost impossible to tell because of the back branch, but these two branches right here are parallel branches. If we remove the back branch, they're very parallel, but I have some trepidation about cutting off either one of them. So for now, I'm just going to leave them. So first order of business is to get this guy down. So I'm going to secure the wire into the soil and bring it around the trunk. With the branch facing me, because that just makes it so much easier to see what you're doing. Wiring at a 45-degree angle. And then bring it into place. Okay, that looks pretty good. Then I want to wire the next branch, which is that back branch. And whenever I'm choosing wire, I check out the resistance of the branch and then the resistance of the wire. And you want your wire to be just a little more resistant than the branch itself. Wire that isn't strong enough will do nothing, and wire that's too strong can make it difficult to wire the branch because you can damage the branch. So I think I'm going to use this piece here to wire another one of these branches, which I do a lot. You can take one piece of wire and secure it to the trunk and then wire two separate branches fairly easily. So okay, now see, now that just fills everything in so much more nicely. And then over here, bring this guy down. To there. I want to bring this guy even further out. And now that I've straightened this branch out, it's so much longer that now the tree really needs to develop more. Need more over here to give it good symmetry. Have a little bit of confusion on the apex, but for today I'm just going to leave that. just wanted to get those branches wired down. And I'm not even going to trim. We could really use something else into here. We could possibly bring the back branch like that to fill that space just a little bit. And that's a pretty heavy duty branch. So let's get some heavier wire. And I want it facing me. And then you see it gets much thinner right here. And this wire here is going to be way too heavy for these two little guys. So at this point, I'm just going to leave it like that. And just try to bring this guy around. Into there. There you go. And then in the wiring process of doing this, I brought this guy back up. Oh yeah, so that looks so much better. Put him into the viewfinder a little better. And now we've really elongated this branch by making it straight. So there you go. Just a preliminary wiring. I'm not going to wire everything. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you subscribe, you can watch this guy develop over time by hitting the notification bell, so every time I drop a video featuring this tree, you'll be able to watch its progress. And leave a comment if you'd like. And that's it for today. So thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in the next video.